Well, just popped out. Just popped out for an hour to go and get something. Thought it was going to be quick, and I've been sat in traffic for an hour, and now I know the reason why. Flash floods. Gotta love living in Thailand. Well, submersible BMW's not working. Obviously, not waterproof. Obviously, this guy's going to walk home. I am so glad I'm in a four-wheel drive car. Jeep even. Oh, jeez. Guy cutting me up. Even in floods, people can't wait. Impatient. They're brave people on motorbikes going through these lakes. See down the side of that. You don't want to fall off on your motorbike, that's for sure. Well, it's times like this in Bangkok where I'm glad that I've got a four-wheel drive. Don't know what he's saying. Okay. Well, this junction's normally pretty clear, so